I cooked chicken burrito shawarma in just 3 minutes using only 10 simple ingredients, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Here are the ingredients I used: tomatoes, garlic, cilantro, chicken, red onions, honey, lime, soy sauce, cooking oil, mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. First, I cut my chicken into small, even pieces so they cook quickly and evenly. Next, I grabbed my blender and added 2 spoons of tomato puree, 3 cloves of fresh garlic, and 1 spoonful of mayonnaise. Then I squeezed in some fresh lime juice, sprinkled in salt and pepper to taste, added a drizzle of oil, and blended everything together until smooth. I poured this mixture over my chicken pieces, making sure every piece was well coated, and let it marinate for just a moment while I heated up my pan. Then I tossed the marinated chicken into the hot pan and fried it until it turned slightly golden brown. While my chicken was cooking, I made my tahini sauce. I threw some pickled peppers into my blender along with a splash of milk, 2 spoons of mayonnaise, fresh cilantro leaves, a squeeze of lime juice, and a pinch of salt. I blended it all together until I had this creamy sauce. In a separate bowl, I quickly mixed together sliced red onions, fresh cilantro, a drizzle of honey, lime juice, and just a small amount of soy sauce to create a sweet topping. Now it's time to assemble. I laid out my flatbread and spread a generous layer of that tahini sauce all over it. Then I added my pickled lettuce, piled on the golden fried chicken, topped it with my onion mixture, and added some diced fresh tomatoes. I drizzled more tahini sauce over all the veggies. I added some crispy French fries right on top for that perfect crunch. Finally, I wrapped everything tightly in the flatbread, and there you have it, the most delicious simple chicken burrito shawarma that takes under 3 minutes to cook.